Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Sentra check engine light. First, it is vital to understand that simply turning off the light without addressing the root cause is not a lasting solution. The check engine light, or cell, indicates a problem detected by your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system. Our goal is to guide you through the proper steps to ensure a genuine and lasting reset. Before attempting any reset, the absolute first step is to diagnose the problem. You will need an OBD2 scanner, which can be purchased for around $30 to $50 or borrowed from many auto parts stores. Connect the scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard. The scanner will display specific trouble codes, like P0420, which tell you exactly what system is malfunctioning. Addressing this issue is the only way to truly resolve the problem. Once the underlying issue has been properly repaired, you can proceed to clear the check engine light. The most reliable method is using your OBD2 scanner to erase the stored diagnostic trouble codes. Alternatively, you can disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery for at least 15 minutes. This will often clear the light, but it also resets other electronic settings. Sometimes, after a repair, the light will turn off on its own after several driving cycles. If your check engine light returns shortly after being cleared, or if you are unsure about the diagnostic codes, it is highly recommended to consult a certified mechanic. Some issues are complex and require specialized tools and expertise for proper diagnosis and repair. Ensuring your Nissan Sentra is running safely and efficiently is paramount, and a professional can provide the peace of mind that the problem is truly resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.